Meaning of George Bush.
George Bush.
George Bush.
George Bush.
George Bush. George Bush refers to two individuals who served as President of the United States, George H. W. Bush and his son, George W. Bush. George H. W. Bush served as the 41st president from 1989 to 1993, while his son George W. Bush served as the 43rd president from 2001 to 2009. Both were members of the Republican Party and faced a number of challenges during their presidencies, including wars in Iraq and economic crises. Despite their differences in leadership style and approach, both Bush presidents were regarded as important figures in American history.